it's me, Jade. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am so excited for today's video. I don't even think you guys understand how long I've waited to finally post and share with you guys what I've done. So as you can tell by today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my complete room makeover. I actually started redoing my room like months ago, but it's taken so long for certain pieces of furniture to come in just with everything going on. I just graduated university, so I've moved back home and I just felt like my room needed to be revamped. It just wasn't really fitting my vibe or my aesthetic. So I wanted to do something way more minimalistic with more neutral tones. And honestly, guys, I am in love with my room and I'm so excited to finally share with you guys what I've done. Before we get into today's video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get into today's video. So today is day one of the room makeover. Our task today is to take off all of this wallpaper because we're gonna be doing a nice accent wall. We've never done this before, so wish us luck. Wallpaper has been removed. We washed the walls down just to get all the glue off, and now Andre is working on taking off the baseboard. How's it going?
Good.
While he's doing that, I'll show you guys the inspo that we're doing. Perks of having your boyfriend being a designer, he has Photoshop. So this is essentially what the accent wall is gonna look like. We're gonna add the wood panels and we're gonna paint it all white. So that's what it should look like by this weekend. It's actually day two of the room renovations. So what we're gonna be doing today is tackling this wall right here. And if we have time, we're gonna paint everything. I have my dad there who's standing. I have Andre over and my grandpa's coming by. So we should be able to tackle this weekend. So let's do it. Happy Saturday. I figured I would update you guys. I got my packages delivered from STRUCTUBE, a new table lamp that I'm gonna unpack, and then also I got a body length mirror that I'm super excited about. Obviously still waiting for a few more things to come in, but at least I could show you guys today a quick little update. Here's the lamp put together. It's super cute. I love the marble base and just the really cool structure. Then my favorite part, which is going to be this massive oversized mirror, fits perfectly along the wall. I mean, I still need to move some things around, but I love how this looks. Hey guys, so today is the day we finally got my IKEA order in. So plan for today is to essentially tackle all of this behind me. So this is where I normally film. I have all of my makeup and skincare all here, and we are basically redoing my whole makeup vanity. So Andre's here with me and we're gonna set up all of my IKEA stuff. So let's get building. So we had to make a quick stop at Walmart. The table is set up. What we're gonna do is we bought this little plastic thing, essentially gonna keep it from being like non-slip. We're gonna put these in the drawers and then we're going to start filling it with all of my makeup and toiletries. So hopefully this will also be like a little protective layer, so if anything spills, we should be good. To move all of this makeup onto the new stuff, and it's like almost midnight, so we have coffee. We don't know how long this is going to take us, so this should be fun. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my brand new room transformation. I love it so much. I wouldn't be able to do it without everyone who helped out, so you know who you are. Thank you so much. Also, if you guys want to see my like makeup setup, like my makeup collection and how I organize my Alex drawers, let me know in the comment section down below. I would totally film that for you guys if you're interested. I don't know, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my new uploads. Have a great rest of your day, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.